out, I'm sorry.
Get out! What are you doing, dude?
Sorry. What are you doing?
I'm taking a shit. What does it look like I'm doing? Can you close the door, please?
Jack, you still have your pants on. Have you pooped?
No. I'm not pooping. I'm just sitting here.
You pooped your pants.
No, I'm sitting here reading on the toilet.
Come on, Jack. Come on, man. Come on, Jack. Come on, Jack.